How's it going? Good. So I've had a fun morning. I got to dig some sunflowers, some concrete sunflowers out of the icy ground, and it's very cold today. So I got to try a lot of different elements, and the last thing I had to do was build a fire over them. And then I still had to chop them out, but I spent 2 or 3 hours outside, and it wasn't as cold as you would think it was. I guess I was busy running around a little bit. But Sammy got a little frostbite, and then we took a dead sea salt bath, and anyway, he's a little knocked out. And spending the morning outside in the cold was thrilling, and the key to surviving winter is not only doing a lot of reading and writing, because it is a time of hibernation and low energy, which can accentuate what you can do mentally while you physically quiet down, but then you balance that with high activity outdoor winter sports. And when you get those things going on, it's a good life in the winter. It really is. So I hope everyone's doing okay. Basic chakra alignment. We are all together here today, and we're just going to let the breath go. Let's just take a moment to get comfortable. If you've got, I've got a couple rocks. I've got some rocks from Sedona, California that Courtney gave me. Thank you, Courtney. And I've got some other ones here too that are just normal polished rocks, but I'm going to place them in my lap and in my hands. All right. So we are going to start today with a red zone of safety. How do you feel about your safety today? What can you do to worry less, to have less fear? Those are the things that block your connecting to your red, right spinning electric masculine ball. 2 dimensions, make it a flat disc, and now pop it into 3 discs by making it a sphere, and like a basketball. Now make it a softball, and now a golf ball, ping pong ball, quarter. Let's leave it at a quarter for a while. Spin your red sphere the size of a quarter to the right, and think about something you might be afraid of in the world. It could be anything. It could be the fact that people are going too fast on the road in front of you. It can be small or big. One thing you're afraid of, and just take it off your plate. Be aware, whatever it is, you've acknowledged it, but all the lingering fear, go back to the red ball. Spin it nice. Now take a little filament of that red ball and like a thread, and move it through your hip, your thigh, your knee, your calf, the bottom of your foot, and bam, into the molten rock of the earth. And you're kind of tied down with just 1 foot to the earth, and now put your left foot down and accept that cord to come back up into your left foot. Ankle, calf, knee, thigh, hip. A red cord spinning back into the red ball. You have now anchored yourself to the molten hot rock of the earth, the ultimate red. Red light sinks. And if you use it for grounding, then it works wonderfully. Second one up behind your belly is an orange spinning ball. It spins to the left, your left, counterclockwise to you. So it's the opposite way a clock goes if you look at the face of it. Spinning towards your left shoulder, an orange ball. Starts out big for me. I don't know how about you, but I'm going to shrink it from basketball, softball, tennis ball, golf ball, ping pong ball, quarter. Make it a sphere. Put it next to the other one. It's spinning to the left. It is your creativity, your playfulness, your sexuality, your pleasure zone. What makes you happy when you ask yourself, what do I want? You're often responding from your pleasure center, or you're expecting to. Spin it to the left. It's orange. Orange is fleeting light. It does not stay. We have an orange ball to the left going down one, red ball to the right. Orange ball to the left, red ball to the right, and up and down, and make a crazy 8 between those two colored balls. Contrary motion, one flow. Yee-hee. Lovely. Up one, we have the rib cage, solar plexus, third chakra. It is yellow. It spins to the right, clockwise to you. How big is it? It is your sun. So it's really big, but at its most big time in intensity also corresponds to when it's above your head and the smallest. That's just kind of how apertures work, but it's not an aperture. It's a heat generator. It's a furnace. It is your willpower. Masculine, golden energy, spinning to the right, electric. Going down one to the orange, magnetic, spinning to the left, going down one, electric, red, spinning to the right. Red to the right, orange to the left, yellow to the right, orange to the left, red to the right, orange to the left, yellow to the right, orange to the left, red to the right, and hold. You have 3, or red, orange, yellow. Just let go. Just look at it. It's a machine. It's going. It's inside you, and it's also in front of you and behind you. Leave it there. We're going up one to your heart, your green 4th chakra. It is where you give and take love from. It is the astral plane that connects the lower grounded chakras to the upper cosmic universal chakras. It is where we go when we do this work. We let go of our physical 3-dimensional reality and work purely mentally, and that allows us a tiptoe into the 4th dimension that you can also reach by your dreams at night. The astral plane, spinning to the left, the green, the love. How is your love? Do you love yourself? Give yourself a big light hug, because green is flowing to the counterclockwise left. Mine wants to be bigger than a basketball. It's 4 foot round. It's a patio table. I don't know why. Guess I have a big heart today. Feels safe. I'm here and not going anywhere. So maybe I'll just let myself have one. I'd be prone to shave it down. You may need to do that if you're going out in the world. I think going out in the world with too big a heart is a dangerous thing. So you can just take a little knife while it spins and cut off the edge of it if you like. Pare it down, give yourself a green light haircut. I'm going to shrink it down anyway because that's appropriate, even if I want to keep that edges raggy. Your love spins to the left. Basketball, softball, tennis ball, ping pong ball, quarter. Go down one yellow to the right, go down one orange to the left, go down one red to the right. Red, orange, yellow, green to the left. Pause up there a second. Let's just catch our breath. Spinning on the green. Take a deep breath. I'll say colors starting to the left. Green, yellow, orange, red, orange, yellow, green, yellow, orange, red, orange, yellow, green, and let go. It's nice to see those generators just matched up in the smallest way. But your fourth one, it's like it gives off a bigger spray that you can control the tilt of and the length of, if you like. Into your throat with the fifth chakra, it is light blue. It spins to the right. It is masculine, electric. It is the truth. It is blocked by lies. So it's always a complicated thing, our words, but it really shouldn't be. I was reading about the Tower of Babel, and that what people were being taught there was that their words were the word of God, so everything they said had to be true or would become true if it wasn't. You know, the power of God's word. And I kind of think that's a fun thing to strive for, to have words that powerful. Spin it, a sky blue dome of truth, your truth. Just be okay with all your truth and all your lies, and then I think you got a fighting chance. Less said, easiest mended. Light blue sky ball spinning to the right in your throat, going down one you're green to the left, going down one you're yellow to the right, going down one you're orange to the left, and down one you're red to the right. Red to the right, orange to the left, yellow to the right, green to the left, light blue to the right. Okay, pause there a second because I just got to get myself together. If I'm going to go into the cosmos, I must straighten my spine. So we got truth spinning to the right in your throat. It's light blue to the right, green to the left, yellow to the right, orange to the left, red to the right, orange to the left, yellow to the right, green to the left, light blue to the right. Okay, so that was kind of slow. Let's do 2 up and down, just with colors only. Light blue spinning to the right in your throat. Here we go. Light blue, green, yellow, orange, red, orange, yellow, green, light blue, green, orange, yellow, red, orange, yellow, light blue, green. All right, one more. Third eye, middle of your forehead, really middle of your brain, but you can paint it how you want to paint it. There's a little gland in there, your pineal gland. It's like a little spaceship. If you just wake it up, it has 6 magnetic field lines that emanate from you into space that will allow you to do things like see in the dark and have just a better spidey sense about everything, have a better intuition, have a better ability to activate all of this as it connects to God. It is your doorway, your dark blue color of the sky at absolute twilight. Spinning to the left, it is magnetic, feminine. Feel it, right? It's all about sight. The things that block it are your illusions. So be okay with your illusions. Spin your dark blue to the left, your light blue to the right, green to the left, yellow to the right, orange to the left, red to the right. Just colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, light blue, dark blue, light blue, green, yellow, orange, red, orange, yellow, green, light blue, dark blue, and hold, spinning to the left in your third eye, in your forehead. Good. I feel like we're getting it. All right, last one, purple, up on top of your head. How do you want your purple little ball? Was it eggplant or is it more violet? give it a good little shake out. Mine needs like a little rug slap around, get the dust out of it, like volcanic ash out of my crown chakra. So maybe a little water, little air, little idea that you are going to open up the purple valve on top of your head. Spins to the right, make it the right size. Softball, tennis ball, ping pong ball, golf ball, quarter, three-dimensional round, quarter. Spin it to the right, it's actually gold. The purple crown chakra gives off gold light. All your spirit guides, all the archangels, all your deceased relatives, all that is on the other side awaits you through your purple crown chakra. It is electric, it is masculine, it spins to the right. It's as small as the others now, so we have a purple spinning to the right, a blue, dark blue spinning to the left, a sky blue spinning to the right, a green spinning to the left, a yellow spinning to the right, an orange spinning to the left, and a red spinning to the right. Just the colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, light blue, dark blue, purple spinning to the right. I expect you to do the motion on your own. Just change the direction and be deliberate. Purple spinning to the right, dark blue, light blue, green, yellow, orange, red, orange, yellow, green, light blue, dark blue, purple, and hold. Take the string that went through the contrary motion of your chakras and pull it from the top, above you, and below you, and tighten all of them down because you're pulling in opposite directions on the whole thing. And now let go. And breathe. We are aligned with our spectrum, our little tiny spectrum of light that we get to have. So I hope you enjoy some sunlight today by squinting at the sun and looking at the prism of it off your eyelashes. And we'll see what happens in the storm. Have a good Thursday. Have a good Thursday.